Hello YouTube. I have a couple of these Color Splash JRs by Chauvet with nice DMX in and out and some of these old style switches. When I turn them on, the blue and the green don't seem to be working, or just give sporadic light effects like so, which is not exactly the light effects we were looking for. So thought I'd open a few up and see what's going on. They open up from the back, just 4 easy screws here and here. Okay, with the 4 screws out of the way, we can take a look inside. Relatively simple LED array. Nothing too obviously wrong here. Let's see if we can take off this thing. Okay, unscrew the array, bunch of little spacers, and there we have it. So I am going to power it up to see what's going on. Obviously, do this at your own risk. So what I found is messing around with some of these, as you can see, the greens, or maybe you can't see, the greens have different colors. So somebody's already been messing with this one. That one is bright. Blues are not working at all. These are kind of out. So what I found works best is to carefully take a flat screwdriver and figure out, like gently twisting against the contacts to see which LED is causing the whole row to fail, because they're daisy chained like you would see in Christmas trees. And here, for example, I've got the blue. So I know if I short this one, I see blue. If I unshort it, blue's gone. So now I know I got to replace that guy. And I think I'll do that. So what I found is to remove these, the easiest way is to get a little bit of rubber tubing like this that you can get from an aquarium and just pop it over the LED like so. And then when you heat up the contacts with your soldering iron, it will just come out like that, easier to grab. And there it is. So I went online and bought 100 blue and 100 green LEDs because it looked like all the red LEDs are actually fine. Probably something to do with how much power they draw. And so we'll solder one of these in and see if we fix that part of the row. There we are. I'll leave out those little prongs just to make sure I can find it again. And then we'll see if it works. Just popped it in, and as you can see, those 3 are now working. And there's 2 more blue ones in this sequence that are not working. And usually it's the one closer to the center. If I short that one, you might just be able to make out that the last one is fine. So all I need to do is replace that one and keep going. So when you're done, your workbench might look something like this. We've replaced dozens of these little LEDs, and it's taken quite some time, but it's a nice little project. So put the fixture back together again. And now the moment of truth, see if it will light up. Connect it to the power source. And there we go, all of the lights working. So all is well with the unit. As you can see, all the lights light up. A few are a little brighter than others. Those must be the ones we replaced. And they're nice, compact little units, not very bright, but they might do well, you know, inside a truss or something. I hope this was helpful. If you found it helpful, please like the video, and good luck with your repairs.